be maybe a 7.5/10 performance. Make my 7.5 near your 8.1. Make we not to disagree too much. So Samuel Chukwueze, I say a 6.5. But considering that we win, I want to revisit my rating for Samuel Chukwueze. I'll give him a 7/10 performance. Also because he they willing to work today. I see him do something where a lot of attacking players not they willing to do for, especially for that midfield position. So Moses Simon, I say a 7/10 performance. He gets a very good chance today to score. Credit to the Rwanda goalkeeper. We also deny him. I talk to Aina, a 7/10, solid 7/10 performance from Aina for left back today. And also Bright Osai Samuel, I will give him a 7/10 performance also. Then William Troost Ekong and I will give him a 8/10 performance, because leading to this game, I talk about the striker for Rwanda, Innocent Nshuti, and how him did deadly. We see how him bust our nets for inside Godswill Akpabio Stadium, and we talk about for that preview show say our defense really need to keep Innocent Nshuti quiet to make sure say he no shooty at all. So credit to William Troost Ekong, where we say Machado defense, and Calvin Bassey, where we say pair with Calvin Bassey. I go give him a 8/10 performance. Also, make I talk about some of the guys where we say coming into the game. I know say yes, some of them not to get too much time for us to give them to really rate their performance. Bruno Yemeshi incoming for the 67 minutes, I'll give him 6/10. Rafael Onyedika coming for Samuel Chukwueze, and immediately Rafael Onyedika coming to stabilize things from that midfield, to make sure say the midfield is strong kakaraka, and to make sure say the Rwanda players don't get too much time to create too much ball for inside that midfield. So Rafael Onyedika, I go give him a 6.5/10. Alassane Yusuf, 6/10. Tolu Arokodare, I will give him also a 6/10. Also make 6/10 just be the standard in terms of the substitute.